So number 1 then, from paper 2 of the 2025 Advanced Higher Maths. A very quick little question here, just 2 marks. Differentiate this function, an inverse cos. So you can either remember it or you can look up the front, but it is a function of a function, so I'll just emphasise that by putting a 4x there. So if you just look up the front, or if you remember, it's the negative of what the inverse sign is, the negative of 1 over 1 minus the square of whatever it's operating on, so that's the 4x. But because it's a function of a function, then multiplied by how fast the 4x is changing, and so multiplied by the derivative of that. Hey, just tidy up. Negative 4 over the square root of 1 minus 16x squared. And that's about it.